Welcome to Tiny Toy Mysteries. Today we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 eggs to open. And they're all Disney Tsum Tsum vinyl figures. I saw them at Target the other day and I just bought a bunch because I got really excited. I thought the plush were really cute, but the vinyl figures are way cuter. So let's start with this red one right here. It's a little bit sticky. This is a new homemade Play-Doh recipe. I tried a new one and I really like how it came out. I'll post this recipe below in the description. First we have a blue egg. Let's see what's inside. It's the small size Dumbo. He's so cute, he's so tiny. This is exactly why I like the vinyl figures. They're so much smaller than the plush. I love tiny things. Okay, there you go, Dumbo. Let's go with this white one. Alright, what's inside the white one? The white Play-Doh is actual Play-Doh. I did not make a white Play-Doh. We have a purple egg. And inside the purple egg we have a little bum. It's a medium-sized Pooh Bear. A little bit bigger than the Dumbo. Very cute. Pooh is a bear after my own heart because we both love honey. And neither of us like exercise. And we did a red and a white, so let's do a yellow. The yellow is also real Play-Doh, which you can get at Walmart for 50 cents a can apparently. This is a hot pink egg. Hot pink has a large Daisy Duck. Daisy Duck is another one of my favorite characters. I like Dumbo because he's cute, but the movie's too sad. I'm not really a big fan of that movie. Alright, oh, let's stack them. That's what they're for. Here, go sit with Mickey Mouse. So cute. Okay. White one. Inside the white we have an orange egg. And inside of the egg we have medium Cinderella with her hair in a little bun. How are they supposed to stack the medium one? Let's see. She doesn't stack so well, does she? That's okay, I forgive her. Go sit there, Cinderella. Yellow. We'll save the bigger eggs for last. There's a yellow egg inside my yellow egg. Ooh. Okay, who's in here? We have a medium-sized Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. You know what? I don't like that movie. So cute though. I'm so happy to have him. Let's see, does he sit on top of Cinderella? Close enough. Okay. Our last small egg is another red one. And underneath we have a green egg. Okay, green egg. And what do you have inside of you? We have a tiny Cinderella. Two Cinderellas. You know what? Cinderella 3 is a better movie than Cinderella 1. I'm just gonna go there. If you haven't seen Cinderella 3, A Twist in Time, I like it. Let's see. This one makes more noise, so I'm gonna open it. The yellow egg has inside of it a white egg. Dun, da, da, da. white egg. Aha! I know who this is. It's Mickey Mouse! Ta-da! Let's stack him on top of himself. There you go, Mickey Mouse. Okay. Alright, white egg. It's you and then it's Mickey Mouse. And inside we have a pink egg. A light pink egg, not hot pink like the small one was. Okay, what is it in here? This one does not make noise when you shake it because it has inside a mystery bag. Alright, mystery bag. This is Series 1 Mystery Pack, and I have no idea what's inside. And it's all wrinkled from being in the egg, but it's also all wrinkled from people feeling it to try to feel what character is in there. All of them at the store were like that. What kind of monsters do that? Not me, I never do that. Totally not, ever. Let's see who's in here. Yay! This is what I wanted. And I wasn't sure I got it, even though I totally did not cheat and feel the bag. It's Dale. Come here, Dale. Let's open you up. Oh yeah, medium Dale. Let's see how this thing even goes. And this one must go. Aha. And then go on Dale, or does he sit on it? Let's look at the packaging. It sits on him. Okay. So cute. Okay, last one. We have our Mickey Mouse Tsum Tsum. Check a little later and I'll post the video where I made this guy. Didn't take too terribly long. The black Play-Doh is a different homemade recipe. I have 3 different homemade Play-Doh recipes here because I've been experimenting. And the face is all speckled because I put cinnamon in it, so it smells really good. Oh no, he doesn't have a face! That's creepy. The black Play-Doh came out a little bit questionable. I'm not sure I'll use that recipe again. Take off this ear. This is the best Play-Doh recipe. This is great. This is Jell-O Play-Doh. Alright, we have a yellow egg. Like the other one, it does not make noise when you shake it. I wonder what it could be. We have one more mystery bag. A mystery and a mystery. This one is also Series 1. We have the same options. Let's hope it's not another Dale. That would be a little bit tragic. Minnie Mouse! It's a medium-sized Minnie Mouse. So you can hang out with Mickey Mouse. Let's try that. Get my scissors. Okay, Minnie Mouse. What is the bow? No, she goes on the bow. I think the bow's on her. The bow fits on Mickey. There we go. That's perfect. And she fits right there. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, I like the pink with the purple. This is surprisingly difficult. No. There we go. When in doubt, build a strong base. I like it. That works for me. If you want to see more surprise eggs like this, please like and subscribe.